how to connect the PQRQP mini mic to the Panasonic GH4. Alright, so we have the receiver right here, and this is the part that goes into the camera, and now we have the mic. Okay, this is the wireless mic. It's going to send your voice out from there into the camera, but I want you to note that on the GH4 you see that these are the internal mics that are picking up my voice. You don't need any special drivers. You're just going to connect, and the camera is going to detect an external receiver, and you're going to see it. It's going to represent a little mic icon. So let's do that now. So we're going to connect it to the GH4 right here in this mic connection here. So let's put it in. I want to make sure that you get it all the way in. And now you can see that it is represented by this little mic eye contact, and then you can start your recording, but you need to pair it first. So right here we're going to make sure that you turn this on. So there's an on button on the back. We're going to turn that on. Okay, as soon as I do that, see it's blinking, so it's waiting to pair. Want to see, like, the meters aren't going yet, so we want to pair our microphone. So let's pair that now, and the way you do it is by turning it on right here. Okay, we're going to turn it on, and you see that now it is telling you that it's ready to send your voice out, which is already picking up my voice. Audio check 1 2 3. As I'm speaking in it, I can tell that it's clipping, but that's exactly how you connect it. And you see it's represented by this little green icon there. Now there is a second mic that comes with it, so if you needed to put another mic on here, you can do that as well, and it's recording in audio. But now what I want to show you, the interesting part is I want to give you an example of what it sounds like without the lavalier mic, and then I'm going to give you an example of how it sounds with the lavalier mic. Let's go do that now. This is an audio example recording without the lavalier mic. Audio check 1 2 3. This is a normal talking voice. Audio check 1 2 3. Now let's connect the lavalier mic and listen to how that sounds. Okay, we have now connected the mini PQRQP wireless microphone. The receiver is on the camera as I demonstrated for you. And now we're getting the actual sound from the lavalier mic. And as I bring it closer, audio check 1 2 3, normal speaking voice. And if I tap it, 1 2 3, you see how it sounds. It might be clipping a little too much. The closer I bring it to my voice, the more it clips. So we want to kind of have it usually clipped onto the collar this way. So there it is. This is an audio example of the lavalier mic PQRQP mini lavalier mic.